Hey guys, it's Jimmy here, and I'm in front of one of my clients' homes that's being built right now, currently under construction. This is a Brodrick 2157 floor plan. Some really cool modifications in it, but this is pre-drywall. We're basically in the pre-drywall stage where the framing is completed, the windows are installed, the electrical, the HVAC, and the plumbing systems have all been installed. Insulation has not gone in and drywall has not gone in yet. So if you're building a home and you're doing inspections, this is the perfect time to do your first round of inspections pre-drywall, and then you do the second one once the home is completed. So just wanted to show you this so you can see the quality of a build. If you're familiar with new home construction at all, you're gonna recognize the quality of the work that's done in our homes. This home is gonna have 10-foot ceilings. We're in the foyer right now, and you can see up there, there's the we've got the orange line right there, that's fiber optics. The yellow, well, we do have some gas lines in here. The yellow is electricity. Not 100% sure what all of them are exactly for, but we've got just really nice home. This is gonna be so cool when you see it built. But then you can go back and look at this, this video here and see what it looked like when the framing process was completed. So this is gonna be a front bedroom, like a guest bedroom here, right off the front porch. And then you've got full bathroom right here. And this is about 34, probably a 3,500 square foot house, the way it's all put together. Got another bedroom right here off the front. And this was, my clients decided to do bedroom right here. The way it comes on the floor plan automatically is bedroom, bathroom, and then where I'm standing would be the dining room. But we have the flexibility to make that a dining room, to make it a study if you want. You've got options there. Then you've got the laundry room right here, right off the garage right here, and sort of the second foyer, second entryway right here. And then you come into the great room. You're gonna have this header, and then you're gonna be greeted by this beautiful coffered ceiling right here, which is boxed out right now. If you can tell, kind of like the cross-looking thing, the X. That's going to be a coffered ceiling, and then just a huge kitchen and eating area. So this right here is going to be, you'll have countertops, and then you have lowers and uppers. You have an island right there. It's a great spot for like a coffee place, coffee corner. You've got a huge pantry, walk-in pantry right there, and then this will be the fridge, I believe, right there. You have a stove over here. You're gonna have a dishwasher right here in the island. Dishwasher there, and the sink right there, it looks like. And then over here is gonna be this is gonna be your main eating area. So this will have integrated eating at the kitchen island and in the nook. When I say integrated eating, I mean it's integrated with the kitchen space. Sliders, 6-foot slider doors that open up and go out here to the covered porch. So you've got a covered porch, and then we have additional concrete poured all along back here. And then you've got just a gently sloping backyard. And here's a gas line. So there's a lot of things you can do that we call RFPs. These are requests that aren't necessarily offered on the collateral, but some changes you can make. So there's gonna be a dedicated gas line right here, so you could hook up a grill. And don't have to worry about changing out your propane tanks. And then we did another electrical hookup out here as well. But yeah, this home is gonna have a lot of cool features that you're gonna see once it is completed. And then coming in here into the primary bedroom, here is one of the changes that they made. So one of the very popular features that people do with the primary bedroom is, normally this would be a bedroom in the back, but I would say the majority of clients actually make this into a sitting room. But what my clients wanted to do is actually make it into an oversized closet. Put a transom window up there to let in some natural light. But this is basically a closet with 10-foot ceilings, and I can't imagine what they're gonna put in here as far as like shelving and dressers and furniture in here. I'm really excited to see it after they move in, because that's just a tremendous closet space. The bathroom, the cabinets, the countertops, I'm sorry, are gonna be over here against this wall. Ordinarily, there's 2 closets on either side with the Brodrick over here and over here. And right in this space is where the counters would be. So we actually pushed the vanity back a few feet and it opened up this space in the primary bathroom. They're gonna have the shower right here. So luxury shower, I believe, and then also the soaking tub. You've got a linen closet right here. And then you've got the powder room. I'm sorry, well, yeah, the water closet right here. We actually modified this and took it out about 18 inches wider. That was another RFP that we submitted. So I talk about RFPs, basically, like I said, oh, and there's an art nook right there. When we submit requests that aren't available as an option on the collateral, we have to submit that to our CAD team, which is our computer architectural design team. I think that's what the C stands for. And it has to get approval first. So we never guarantee that we can do something that's off plan, but we are a semi-custom builder and we do pride ourselves on having those options available for people. All right, upstairs now, you got a huge loft. And then over here is a massive closet. And then here is going to be a finished room over the garage. Now we offer this as a selection in the Montcrest, which is a similar floor plan to the Brodrick. Because it's not on the collateral with the Brodrick, this is actually an RFP. So we submitted that request, how it was going to be designed, and we're able to get approval for it. And this is going to be another bedroom, or it could be like a bonus room, a crafts room. It could be you could use that for a huge gym. There's so many different uses for additional space like that. Then right here, we've got another closet straight ahead. And then we've got a bedroom and a bathroom. So full bedroom. This is gonna have a walk-in shower. Looks like this is gonna be, so toilet over here, sink and vanity right there. And then large bedroom, another large walk-in closet. So this ranch floor plan has so much space, so much storage space. Here's your furnace room. And there's some platform there, so it's easy to walk around. You could probably store a little bit of stuff, but if you don't want to crowd it up, you can leave it as just a nice, clean platform. So stick with me, continuing to watch as this floor plan evolves. I did post a video on a YouTube short when it was foundation day, so we got to see the foundation being poured. Now framing is completed, and as we go through the construction process, I will post additional videos of this one as we get further along, and then finally we'll see it when it's fully completed. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please do go ahead, like and subscribe. I'm available to help you with any questions regarding Edgewater or True Homes. If you're wanting to build a home or purchase an already completed home in the community here, I can help you with that as well. Again, 704-313-8514. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Take care.